This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond? We are seeing a massive collision between high-level AI theory and the actual fabric of our society. From new architectural breakthroughs to a papal warning on the future of humanity. Let's start with the fact that we are moving beyond simple transformers. A new model called the Cognitive Categorical Transformer is proving that how we structure a model matters more than just adding constraints. What's most interesting here is the structure versus consistency distinction. The researchers found that adding new topological pathways like simplicial message passing in the GT-full component, and here's the key part, trying to force the model toward a specific identity through consistency losses actually did nothing or even harmed the training. Which brings us to the next story, where this technical ambition meets moral authority. Pope Leo XIV has released a new encyclical called Magnificat Humanitas. He warns that we are facing a choice between building a Tower of Babel. What does this mean in practice? It means that even the leaders of the industry are listening. Chris Olah from Anthropic spoke at the Vatican, acknowledging that the incentives of frontier AI labs often conflict with doing the right thing. Think about it. We are not just talking about ethics, but about survival. There is a concept called the AI Layoff Trap, where companies estimated not for efficiency, but because their competitors are doing it, creating a race toward a dead economy. Mozilla found that cars are now some of the worst products for privacy, with some manufacturers collecting data on everything from your weight to your facial expressions to sell to insurance companies. What's most interesting here is how the financial plumbing is catching up to this digital shift. Paxos has won SEC approval to clear United States stocks on a planned CAC, positioning itself as a real alternative to legacy giants. At the same time, the CFTC is opening the door for regulated perpetual futures contracts. This is a major step toward making the United States the crypto capital of the world. The common thread is that AI is no longer just a tool, but a structural force reshaping our code, our laws, and our souls. The real question is whether we can steer this acceleration before the human element becomes a legacy system rust. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.